Obema me ne wa warrior, yesi dying. Me ba penny kwatrin document wo car mu a. Harry die. Adiachina me ntiasia, nobody will speak for me. Me papa na catch me say, Afua Singathon na ba nintinya, but it's not a good time to divorce him. Me papa me boa o mekasa. I'm not going to shut up anymore. Where Juma say, when him say you were the one bomb mania, Canada being and now Samaba, simple, Semina me ungrateful pa. No big kebi mamina kunwa me no that sorry be kebi mamia. So we Busian and say shut up and go and fucking marry your family. And then me baba to me and him catch me say, Mommy, don't let a man spoil your life. My own daughter. Unim nya ode ye means me ye Singathon, you need flower for the bouquet breme, and now the bed lay down to sell lover boy. Ya kunwa hotel son because you knew I was leaving.
Afua Asantewaa Singathon ene ni kunu Mr. Kofi Owusu adiunum omugusua trende efa omari jaye no ho na me no ka sei no Afua Asantewaa ni kunu nua bema aba be kan sembi e wo TikTok enam so ama Afua nso bu afu pa o trese ne bra eso Afua Asantewaa ansa de ni kohia kempon connections ahodwo enam ne bra so a wanya na ene o kasa bebre no ama Afua nso trese hye Memeti aware ase na me bre me ye meme adwuma de hwefie na wo hefa wo bra ne ka asem ne kire wo na de ekoso ne nyina no se de ye ne ya ene se ne kunu ne enkasenti obi adwen se ono na ye nipa boni ni ensem wo kan ye na busua esu ni areho nyina ewo mu bi ahaye aba loudest and the first time I wish ya me a make sure so be click subscribe button no so like video na fe kire wa adwen e wo comment section ho
aba loudest.
21st April no eba no ena Afua Asantewaa Singathon onini kunu Kofi Owusu adiunum yete se divorce bi wo ho ni ade ene TikTok live videos ahodo bebre na pope up a ukosha ampa na ochwechwe mu se onini kunu eni ho biem na ye mu bebre na ye dwen se akoye 1st April no prank but sisi ade ensem a eboboba no ekire se serious a omani abre ho sampa omujai aware ankasa ebi mo so kire se sign se Afua akopie mo Canada no na ni kunu nso akoni aba papers ne ade enti na omaheda omoye sa na so sisi ade video aba abontin sisi no edi adanse pefe se ensem ewo ho yenti Afua Asantewaa.
Yesterday and today is the most happiest days of my life. Being able to tell my truth has set me free. I have died and resurrected. I have wore smiles to protect a name of a man who cares less when I'm being slayed. At this point, I don't give a about anybody. Someone know dofu betu coin. Mo koshe, mo koji mani kakraba no simi nkobiem. Na weja wo ma wo wechi. Be masiyentina ha ni nyankrata yakofa wo mo. Obatan me sitina ha onkwa wo de tina ha. Me kofa o ma ba megimi. Me pe ko fisike dinti megimi me be fa nkola na me ko US. I could have stayed in US. What are you people saying? This man is fooling all of you. He's wearing a fat mask. What people don't know is I left this marriage before the first attempt. Obema me ne wa warrior, yesi dying. Me ba penny kwatrin document wo car mu a. In document eba ya, udin pen na was wo catch me say it was a mistake. I left my father and my mother. Harry wouldn't worry me die before saying it has got nothing to do with fame. I don't do a shit with this fame. Unim nya ode ye means me ye Singathon, you need flower for the bouquet breme, and now the bed lay down to sell lover boy. Ya kunwa hotel son because you knew I was leaving. When you followed me to Filer's place, you thought I was leaving you. You people don't know shit. Everybody should shut up.
Oh, champion.
Omo bisa no so free Ghana tina play mu back Canada no kuta 1 cedi. He's a rich man, he has money. On friend in no say all through plane. Many won't Kofi Harry. Many won't back Canada. Chester, wo Canada ha energy mi hosika. $1,200, Harry, you know. I changed CD to dollar and I did see a dime can ye demo. I bet you not TikTok say you know your brother, he is very rich. He is very rich. He introduced me to Kempon and then did what? I have earned every relationship with my hard work and credibility. We have family ties with people. It does nothing to us. How many times he asked them money just to make sure he wants to take care of me. Say me sorry anopana me ye Miss Kiddy. Me sorry anopana me ye Post for Africa. Me sorry anopana me ye Goa. Me sorry na me fifie Cote d'Ivoire koye Africa Outstanding Women Awards. And me kunu wo sika so much that I don't know what to do with myself. So I wake up in the morning and I move around. So the family things me say omo Mr. say me ko kata. Why ne de me ko kata? Me ko Dubai. Why ne de me ko? Me ko US. Why ne de me ko ye? When I celebrate a man, when I say me third anniversary, Kofi a good person, it doesn't mean that nipa no emotional torture. You cannot speak up. That is what is killing women in the society. I am not saying he's a devil. I am not 100% perfect. I promised a lot of people that I'm not going to talk, but I have to. I am a very bold person. I don't give a damn what anybody thinks. This is me. This is my life. But for once, if we are separated, we are separated. And that is the truth. Divorce need a better also.
Right. Men kasa biu. Men pesa obe kasa biu. I tried to make calm me down, but then said you had to pour your heart out. Why?
My shoulder wama wunti yesi mimi you're ungrateful. My shoulder wu kofi. Ama wunti yesi mimi you're ungrateful. I have shielded you so much. They shouldn't push me. If I drop that mask on his face, I have shielded you. Yesterday I told him in the night, say, okay, said there are times maybe I'm supposed to leave, but me see anyashe na maso camera. Ari sa unim. Ayame na mejimi o. Ayame na mejimi ayodo asem. But bibin tina me kasanyanse ni bia nim se obi wo ba sebe omanti ene daachinti yemienu nina ye journalist me kasha nyame die nyonyam se me interest in journalism, you helped me grow it. I will not take that from you.
Yeah, that's a sell buyer. Why?
Minyankoi. Don't be worried when people are expressing themselves. Allow them. It's their opinion. I have gone past that. Right? I have gone past that. Nah. And then same na yeka.
It's like if you have to say, Obiabaso.
I say my brother. That's money, pal. Hey.
Yamia do more. It's like if you.
Kola kasa with them now and tia ipia bonting. It's the gifty. I know the person I'm dealing with. Everybody knows he's a obiasi or a quiet type. I don't mind or quiet type, but do you know what he does? My brother he said it when he started. He knows how to manipulate the media, right? But what he doesn't know that the media is there, my voice is. Yesterday I told him, you can pay the bloggers to do whatever you want to do. You do it. You do it for brands. You do it for people. You do stories to mess people up. You do stories to build people up. I am your fucking wife. I know your innermost being than anybody on this earth. Even your so-called brothers, they don't know you. Me know ex-wife. Your ex-wife knows you better. I equally do. If she should speak, you would hear. We all know you. Mami come here. I know you. But sister Gifty, say me now, mama, friend me, baby, I love you, I love you. Are you okay? You okay?
Oh dear, your friends say, "Nya make can say friend me. Say mami that's who US. Friend mami muna mon can you there you feel social media.
And you think my mom has not? You think my mom has? No, see, wait. Sometimes when you people are talking, don't make it look like it's like it's Sebi. You think my parents are not aware? You think they are not aware?
Oh,
or is it because they don't talk?
What I'm trying to say is
I think the person can say, it's like if you can say,
your friend is saying, a warrior and a mebim and a problem.
And I'm missing me, Mujame, Mammy, Quay.
Asantewa make can say, and Kashi was social, oh, there's a month to us be one. Mon solve no behind the scene, Mamma Famba public.
Now behind the scene, the
Ujai Afra. Because the same now amount for Oikikana or Tete, no your brother, or no sure on person obey who side, or no so on person obey a basho brother.
Or no one can not or your victim, or your victim.
Ain't make us say, oh dear, don't say, oh dear, and Kashi, now the months say Mujai, and can your mama phone take advantage for and can yes or
advantage never your more dane. Why are you all scared of people? Why?
Asantewa,
relax.
Yeah, but relax.
Why?
Sports guys no more gaslighting me on Facebook no. See, when people are bullying me, you people don't say something for me. But when I speak for myself, you people come but you all sit down for people to judge me and insult me and bully me. Mimi kutankwalao. Ono kitwa we o dwane o fresh boss for so monke bi man ono koye bema me am yo ba mi kuta nkwala miensa e wo bi man so. Who speaks for me? Who speaks for me? Everybody will call me if for a chaso, but why neke bi mami? A lot of people know the truth. Kaneshi market wa Brampton hamame no meeting so na sorry. She knows the truth. They all know the truth. What is social media? Say your brother has money. Why of us ura Canada crown him? What say who na introduce me to big people? Why of us the crown him?
Afua Asantewaa ni kuno ojina ni nche ni nua bema enegina the platform you see. Yes.
Only di machi. Atiane say. Me brand or a journalist, no graphic sports, daily guide, ni nema nyina nti na dan fopa ne kempo ne kwabran ya boa.
Okay.
Ejo no benefo no nom nam na o scar off o hosa do why di o pekasa. Na oyobi a ne ho ompe ne ho asem oba bia betimi ne natena. I don't think if you are anything. Look at the Gobejano. Oh, Timinjano one day. Any Bibia Nancy, a social media, and a do baby, no more person, or would see the social media for a becker. If you are no, maybe I know so called Canada and if you are neighbor. I don't say Canada by 1 year.
Oh, brother, they Canada.
Oh, about it, and son, yes, I started to crack. Oh, yeah, you do grand out in chain. Answer na fiano eba answer na kufa
ana kufa ne baaye ana wakose kia sala
say ade ne say unima say na sister na okasa asisi ya deka unima obeka nsem bebre
Edio asem abusia ahaya aba loudest and then the first time I will share me make sure so click the subscribe button so like the video na feature wadwen e comment section ho macrow.
Up loudest.
Loudest.